Brutalist Elegance, modern concrete homes blending with nature on mountain slopes. Introduction: Embracing the Beauty of Brutalism. Welcome to Digest TD. Today, we explore the stunning world of brutalist architecture, focusing on modern concrete homes that harmoniously blend with the breathtaking landscapes of mountain slopes. As we dive into this unique design style, you'll discover how these homes reflect a bold aesthetic while offering functional living spaces that celebrate nature. If you enjoy this exploration, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing your thoughts in the comments. Let's embark on this architectural journey together. The essence of Brutalism, a design philosophy. Brutalism emerged in the mid-20th century as a reaction to the ornate styles that preceded it. Characterized by its raw concrete forms and minimalist aesthetics, Brutalism emphasizes functionality over frivolity. The material itself, concrete, is not just a structural element but also an integral part of the visual identity of these homes. On mountain slopes, where nature's grandeur is paramount, brutalist homes stand as monumental statements that echo the rugged landscape. They utilize geometric shapes, large windows, and open spaces to Concrete as a canvas, crafting unique structures. The use of concrete in brutalist architecture is more than mere choice, it's about crafting unique structures that withstand the test of time. Concrete's adaptability allows architects to experiment with forms, textures, and finishes that enhance the aesthetic appeal of homes on mountain slopes. Many designs feature textured surfaces that mimic the rugged terrain, blurring the lines between built structures and natural environments. This artistic approach results in homes that appear as if they have grown from the earth itself. Furthermore, sustainability and energy efficiency, a modern approach. In today's design landscape, sustainability is paramount, and brutalist architecture has evolved to embrace eco-friendly practices. Many modern concrete homes incorporate sustainable building techniques that reduce energy consumption and minimize environmental impact. These homes often utilize passive solar design principles, strategically placing windows to capture sunlight and enhance natural heating. Additionally, green roofs and walls, often integrated into the structure, provide insulation and help manage rainwater runoff, creating harmonizing with the landscape, site-sensitive design. A key aspect of designing brutalist homes on mountain slopes is site sensitivity. Architects carefully consider the topography, climate, and ecological characteristics of the location to create structures that seamlessly integrate into their surroundings. By using local materials and mimicking natural forms, these homes enhance the visual appeal of the landscape rather than detracting from it. For instance, slopes may dictate the orientation of the home, with large overhangs providing shade and shelter from inclement weather. This thoughtful interior spaces, balancing minimalism and comfort. Inside these modern concrete homes, the philosophy of brutalism continues to shine. Open floor plans create spacious environments that invite movement and interaction. The minimalist aesthetic is balanced with carefully chosen furnishings and decor that add warmth and comfort to the concrete canvas. Natural materials, such as wood and stone, are often incorporated to soften the starkness of concrete, fostering a sense of coziness amidst the modernity. Designers pay attention to lighting as well, using both natural and artificial sources. Outdoor living, extending the home into nature. One of the most compelling aspects of modern concrete homes on mountain slopes is their emphasis on outdoor living. Expansive terraces, balconies, and patios create seamless transitions from indoor to outdoor spaces. These areas are designed to maximize views and provide opportunities for relaxation and recreation amidst nature. Architects often incorporate fire pits, outdoor kitchens, and landscaped gardens that encourage residents to engage with their environment. The presence of nature becomes an extension of the home, inviting outdoor gatherings and quiet contemplation alike. Community and connection, designing for life. Brutalist homes on mountain slopes often become focal points for community and connection. Architects consider the social aspect of living in these unique environments, designing spaces that foster interaction among family and friends. Open communal areas encourage gatherings, while individual spaces provide privacy when needed. Many homes feature guest suites or adaptable rooms that can be repurposed for various uses, accommodating changing lifestyles and needs. This focus on community is especially innovations in brutalist architecture, looking ahead. As we look to the future, innovations in technology and materials are shaping the evolution of brutalist architecture. Advances in concrete technology allow for even greater design possibilities, including new textures, colors, and lightweight composites that enhance structural integrity without compromising aesthetics. Sustainable practices are being integrated into the design process from the outset, ensuring that modern concrete homes not only stand the test of time but also contribute positively to their environments. As architects can Conclusion: celebrating the intersection of design and nature. In conclusion, modern concrete homes exemplifying brutalist elegance offer a unique and inspiring approach to architecture on mountain slopes. They stand as testaments to the beauty of simplicity and the power of materials, seamlessly blending with their natural surroundings while providing comfort and functionality. As you explore this architectural style, we hope you feel inspired to appreciate the artistry and innovation that define these remarkable homes. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of brutalism, please subscribe.
You.